Hello and welcome to this review of the Inky blow up LED tube. So this is a blow up LED tube. It's quite small. It's got a little band here. I mean, this is made of silicone plastic. It folds up really small. It's obviously very light. It's completely waterproof and it's an LED light tube for video or photography. So I'm going to unfold it like so. And we can see here that we've got a USB-C input and it's got this on to keep it nice and waterproof, so we can really push this in there and get a good seal to prevent any water getting in, because this is IP6 or IP something rated. We've got a little panel here as well, so I can turn it on and hold it to unlock it and it powers on. And then if I do that, we can see we're at 1% here and we can go up in all the way to 100% obviously, and we've got quite an impressive little readout dial here on the back, quite an impressive control panel. Now this is bi-color. If I want to change the color, 6500 Kelvin, and I'm just pressing this bit here, and now we've gone to 2700 Kelvin, and hopefully you can see that. So you might think, well, this is absolutely no good just flat like that. Now when you buy this, it does come with a USB-C pump. I sort of feel that that's really good, but I also feel it's not very good because you don't need the USB-C pump, because we've got this bit here. And again, to keep it waterproof, it's well latched. All you need to do is blow into it with your mouth. Seal it off. Now, all I did there was do one very small blow, and I pumped it up enough to sort of make it into this LED tube light. So you can use this handle here to hang it. On the back, it's got 3 magnetic mounting points, 1 here and 2 down here. So you can mount it magnetically. There's obviously no tripod mount to this because, well, why would you have a tripod mount on something like this? Because it just wouldn't work. But I think this is really good just to put in backgrounds to take with you. And like I say, it's waterproof. So we've got these figures here. So this is the sort of thing I can do with this. And again, this is only on 17%. I'm going to go all the way up to 100% on 2700. Yeah, so we can really light these up. We can put this behind like so. Just put it in the background. This cost me £40 and I think it's quite a good investment. I have no idea how long it's going to last for. I have no idea if it's going to be a long-lasting product. Certainly, I think for £40, it's a good gamble and it's something worth getting. Thank you. Goodbye.